We're making a cottage cheese pasta bake tonight. This is almost going to be like a, sort of like a skillet lasagna, but we're not using lasagna noodles. But it's got kind of the same ingredients as some lasagnas. We've got a pound of ground beef and a pound of mild Italian sausage. This one's really easy. We get it started in the skillet and then we transfer it to the oven. We don't even have to cook the pasta first. So we're just going to cook this ground beef and sausage until it's done. And then we'll drain it if we need to. Let me turn this up to medium. Okay, we got it drained. We're putting some salt and pepper. And some red pepper flakes. We're putting in this whole jar of pasta sauce. We might need a little bit more. We'll see once we get this all mixed together. If we need another cup or so. Let me turn this down to medium. Yeah, we're going to need at least another cup, so we'll go ahead and put that in. In this bowl, we're going to mix 16 ounces of cottage cheese. Let me turn that all the way down to low. We're going to put in some Italian seasoning and some garlic powder. About half a teaspoon. And about a quarter cup of parmesan, grated parmesan. Okay. Now we're going to mix half of this in here with the Italian sausage and ground beef. Go ahead and mix that in, Sissy. Okay. And we're going to put about a cup of mozzarella cheese in there. This is just 8 ounces of uncooked pasta. Mix that in. This is going to be very full. Hopefully I don't have an overflow. We put in 1 cup of water. And we just kind of press this down. If you don't like cottage cheese, or if you don't want it to have the cottage cheese clumps, you can mash it some more, or you can just use ricotta cheese if you want to. I'm just going to turn this off because we're about to transfer it to the oven. We just put dollops of the rest of the cottage cheese mixture on the top. All over. We'll gently spread it around. We shake on some more Parmesan. Mozzarella on the top. And then it just goes in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes.
delicious.
Yeah. That's everything you love about lasagna, but easier to make than lasagna. And it's
easier to get out.
It's wonderful.
That's great, I will say.
Date night. We haven't been in Kohl's in a long time. Let's check it out.
Christmas fair here.
I like these little felt looking trees. How much are these, just out of curiosity?
$14.99.
Is it? I can't even see that.
Yeah, I seen it. Right here. See that?
Oh, yes, tiny. Okay.
What about the gingerbread house?
Look, he's checking his list. He's looking at the nice one right now. Yeah, those are pretty.
What? How much are they though? That's the question. What are we guessing? I'm gonna guess.
$24.99.
$19.99. $39.99. Leave your guests thinking goals. I mean, they may be thinking you need a longer bed. You know, let's just get real here. Y'all sleep all right last night?
They've got some Christmas. This is kind of Christmassy. It's just wintry. This is wintry. So it would work for Christmas and everything. Oh, look, these are cute.
Oh, there's some cute bedroom shoes right here.
Deer foams. Now, they've got some cute designs this year. Those are cute. Feel how soft those are.
Here's what I want everybody in. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
If y'all want to know what I was using in that video, it was a shirt.
That he had in the back
A
seat.
button-down shirt that I had in the back seat. But this is what I wish.
Those are nice scarves. They're on sale for $14.99.
I don't want people having cold necks.
Those are really soft.
Right there's old St. Nick. Merry Christmas. They got around here?
Yeah, they have some. They actually had some just like that one at Aldi. Just like that one on the bottom.
Actually nice.
Look at this tree skirt.
That's our style right
Yeah,
there.
that's pretty.
Which one do y'all think we would pick out of these right here? This one right here. That, Mama? Or this one?
Yeah, I would have picked that one.
One of these.
Look at these. They stand up. Look, this is the tree farm, it says. 3 of them. The tree farm. Oh, look, string lights. Lots of different kinds of string lights. Look at that. The candles are 20% off. 3 wicks are $12.99.
Let's see what apple cinnamon smells like. Usually you can't really go wrong with that. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's homey.
Holiday cookies.
That's dead on the money.
Yep, I knew it.
Honey, jingle all the way. Right there would be a good present.
Oh, yeah, that would be a good
You know
present.
what I'm saying? And if they didn't like it, they could, you know, as long as they kept it in the box, they could do what everybody else
Re-gift.
does. Just wrap it up and give it to somebody else.
Re-gift. $48.99. It's 30% off.
Sorry about that. What about this?
Yeah, it's pretty. Coffee mugs,
I
yeah.
gotta say, that right there was a creative idea right there. You know what I mean?
This is pretty with the gingerbread. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now those are adorable. I've never seen them that little before. Look, they have the matching measuring cups. They're cute.
See the big ones at the bottom?
Snow globes right here. Oh look, T is for
Cottage. I mean, these are gonna be around, you know? We've been checking those things for who knows how long.
Kirkland's is having a store-wide sale. The one in Commerce is actually going out of business.
Yeah.
Early Black Friday, 50% off all pillows.
Okay. You want a pillow? Here we go.
25% off Christmas throws. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's a nice tree.
Oh, they're already getting everybody in the Christmas spirit in here.
We're already in the spirit.
Yeah. It smells so good in here. That's pretty too. Merry Christmas with the stockings.
What do we got here?
A little doodad. This is pretty. The hot cocoa and the spiced orange garland are $8. They got some room sprays right here. And look at this cheese board. All the rest of them are 30% off. They've got holiday pastries, flocked fur, gingerbread house. I just saw that, look at that Holly Jolly sweatshirt over there. I mean, now if that don't get you Holly Jolly, I don't know what will. They have a candy cane one too. Look at those slippers. Look at these jammies. This is like Miss Claus jammies. Look, it's got the ruffled sleeve and everything. We got some mats right here. Merry Christmas. We got candy cane pillows. Lots of different pillows. Oh, I like this big one. I like these long pillows like this for couch or whatever.
That don't really smell that good.
Oh, look at that tree pillow down there.
Folks, I love using my nose.
Yeah, seems like Toucan Sam.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, folks.
It's James Penguin.
James Penguin? This right here would be a bad to the bone Home Alone situation.
Oh yeah, it would.
You let him step in the window on that bad boy and see what happens. Have you always wanted one?
I can't say I've always,
You've always
wanted one.
one of these. You've always
But
wanted
it is
one.
pretty. Aldi has some gingerbread men, kind of like this reindeer, but it's a gingerbread man. Those blankets
Right
are
here?
pretty. Oh yeah, kind of like that. Let's see, these are $99.99 at Aldi. They're like 30.
Are you
Would
kidding?
you look? There's Frosty. There's Santa.
We're at the Roadhouse tonight, everybody.
Texas Roadhouse.
Texas Roadhouse.